Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you my latest design team package from Country Craft Creations. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. So let's move this stuff off to the side. And let's start with this. This is the paper that Tamara created, and she used it for their virtual bee retreat they had. And I'm so happy that she released this paper because it is absolutely gorgeous. So let's move this one off to the side. Isn't that pretty? Oh my God, I love this one. So let's see. So we have this. And this would be like a cover page, and then this is the back side. And the artwork and the colors, oh my gosh, I can't even say enough good about it because it is awesome. And then we have this page here, which is almost the same design. It's just a little faded. And this one, this is really cute too. Every single one of them that I see, I think like this will be the cover. Really cute. I haven't decided what I'm going to make yet. I'm definitely thinking it has to be a decor piece for this, but I'm not quite sure yet what. So this one, I love when there's like the postage stamps and stuff on the paper. I just love that. I don't know why, but that just is so cute to me. And then this one here, again, same page, very faded. You can see the difference. And this one here, really pretty. Maybe a gazebo. I don't know. I'm kind of liking this image here. Oh, I have 3 of these ones. Okay. And we got an extra one. These two, do I have them? Maybe I have them mixed up. Maybe not. All right, well, we have this one here. That's the back side. This is pretty too. And this one was there. Just seeing, I thought this design went the other way on a different one. Maybe not. No. If it did, it would be neat because you can make a gatefold where they both have the same image just going opposite ways. Love the key right here. Absolutely gorgeous. This paper is just, and then another cover sheet is just phenomenal. I can't wait to start cutting into it. It might just turn into one of my all-time favorite papers. All right, so let's go quick through what I got over here. So this looks like some ribbons. So this has got a nice little texture to the sides. And this is kind of a, like a blue-green color. I don't know how well, it's picking up more blue, but it's more of a blue-green. And then this right here. Really pretty. Oops. And then I think this is some more seam binding. Yep. So it's kind of an olive green, which actually is gorgeous with this paper. And then kind of like a dusty blue color, I'd say. Really pretty. And then a pink. And then some Prima flowers. Gorgeous. Can never go wrong with Prima flowers. Really pretty. These are kind of a minty green, I'd say. Minty green and green. All right, and then let's get on to this. This is Carta. I'm assuming all of these are going to be Carta. So these are some brads to go with it. And this collection is called Flower Garden. Really pretty pearls, and then little flowers right here, bugs. Pretty. And I got some chipboard, so you know we're going to be making something fun. Here is the sticker sheet. Really pretty. So this could almost kind of go, it's hard to say, because at first I thought maybe it was like wedding paper because of the image with the car with the flowers on it, but it can actually be almost for anything. Yeah. Spring showers, spring Mayflowers. Really pretty though. It's all garden themed, so it's going to be fun. So if there's something in particular you would like to see me make for this, just let me know. Leave a comment. I don't know quite what I'm going to make with it yet, but if there's something that you see and you think it might be a good idea with this paper, let me know, and we'll see. I love doing decor pieces, so that's kind of a green. There's a lot of paper here. All right, pretty flowers. So these are 2 sheets, so these are together. And then looks like a pink and a mint green, so opposites. I know the mint green is looking kind of white. I was going to make this video last night, but then I didn't think I'd get good color, and now my color is, again, kind of faded. And there we go. Oh, I also got this too. Baby's Breath, and it's ultra fine transparent, and it's the art glitter. Let's see what it says. It's sealed up, but we know the second we open glitter, it ends up everywhere, but can you see the sparkle? It's just sparkling. It's really pretty. And let's get back to the paper. So we got the solids here, pink and a blue. And this one. Oh, the checks are fun. And then cut apart cards. And then a strip at the bottom. And then the back side of that. Oh, that's pretty. Love that. And this one. I know the camera is not doing these colors any justice. They are so pretty. I don't think I turn this off. I think it's too much shadow now. And the cute little hats. Oh, bees. Look at the bees. We're going to be seeing bees in everything now, I think. And some more cut apart cards. Oh, that's pretty. I like that paper. And this one's pretty. I love the colors. They're like a minty green color. And the pink check. And little boots with the flowers, stripes. And more cut apart cards. Pretty. The little windows. Maybe a flower window box. I could do something like that maybe with an album in the back. Maybe I could pick up one of these images and recreate it 3-dimensional or something. Right here. And then cut aparts. Or a flower cart, maybe that even. That would be cute. Then I could get tiny little terracotta pots and make little flowers in them or something. I don't know. There's so many ideas. Anyway, that is my design team package from Country Craft Creations, and I will leave a link down below if you wish to order this as well. And gotta say, I'm so happy about this paper. Super pretty. Alrighty, well, you guys have a great day. Happy crafting, and until next time, bye guys.